Maximize your airport and airline benefits. Insider tips and secrets. Benefits and tips for availing better treatment and facilities at airports and airlines. Benefits and tips. 1. Early check-in and seat selection. Tip: check in online as early as possible to select preferred seats and avoid the last-minute rush. Benefit: securing a good seat and reducing wait time at the airport. 2. Frequent flyer programs. Tip: join airline frequent flyer programs to earn miles and gain elite status. Benefit: elite status can offer perks like priority boarding, free upgrades, and access to airport lounges. 3. Lounge access. Tip: gain access to airport lounges through elite status, credit cards, or lounge memberships. Benefit: enjoy amenities like comfortable seating, complimentary food and drinks, Wi-Fi, and showers. 4. Priority security screening. Tip: enroll in programs like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Clear. Benefit: speed through security lines with expedited screening, often without removing shoes, laptops, or liquids. 5. Upgrade opportunities. Tip: use miles or bid for upgrades to business or first class. Ask for an upgrade when checking in. If there are empty seats in a higher class, politely ask if you can be upgraded. Benefit: enjoy larger seats, better service, and additional amenities. 6. Baggage benefits. Tip: use airline credit cards or elite status to get free checked bags. Benefit: save money on baggage fees and avoid the hassle of carrying heavy bags through the airport. 7. In-flight comfort. Tip: bring noise-canceling headphones, a neck pillow, and wear comfortable clothing. Benefit: enhance your in-flight experience and arrive at your destination feeling more refreshed. 8. Airport amenities. Tip: familiarize yourself with airport amenities like spas, nap rooms, and children's play areas. Check for free airline amenities. Some airlines offer free snacks, meals, or entertainment, so research beforehand. Benefit: make long layovers more bearable with relaxation and entertainment options. 9. Booking strategies. Tip: book flights during off-peak times and consider alternate airports. Benefit: lower fares, less crowded flights, and potentially better service. 10. Special assistance. Tip: request special assistance in advance if needed, example: wheelchair service, dietary needs. Benefit: ensure a smooth and accommodating travel experience. 11. Use airline credit cards. Some cards offer perks like free checked bags, priority boarding, and lounge access. 12. Book flights with longer layovers to have more time to enjoy airport amenities and reduce the risk of missing connections. 13. Be polite and dress well. A positive attitude and neat appearance can increase your chances of upgrades or better treatment from airline staff. 14. Ask about available seats at the gate. Gate agents may be able to move you to a better seat if there are last-minute cancellations or no-shows. 15. Know your passenger rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights regarding delays, cancellations, and overbooking. 16. Use airline jargon. Terms like revenue passenger, deadhead, and a non-rev can help you communicate more effectively with airline staff. Insider secrets and jargon. Knowing this can save you money and make your journey smooth. 17. Fuel dumps. Definition: advanced ticketing techniques that reduce fuel surcharges on flights. Tip: often complex and not officially supported, but can result in significant savings. 18. Yup, fare. Definition: booking a coach fare that instantly upgrades to first class if space is available. Tip: look for Yup fares and fare search tools to travel in luxury for less. 19. Bulkhead seats. Definition: seats located directly behind partitions or bulkheads. Benefit: extra legroom, but be aware they may have limited under-seat storage. 20. Red-eye flight. Definition: An overnight flight that arrives early in the morning. Benefit. Often less crowded and cheaper, and you can maximize your daytime hours at your destination. 21. Gate agent. Definition. Airline representative at the gate responsible for boarding and customer service. Tip: be polite and friendly to gate agents, they have the power to grant upgrades and solve issues. 22. Open jaw ticket. Definition. A ticket where the traveler flies into one city and returns from another. Benefit. Flexibility for multi-city itineraries, often without a significant price increase. 23. Non-Rev, non-revenue, travel. Definition. Travel by airline employees or their friends/family at a reduced rate or for free. Tip: know that non-rev travelers are standby passengers and not guaranteed a seat. 24. Interline agreement. Definition: an agreement between airlines to handle each other's passengers and baggage. Benefit: easier connections and baggage transfers between different airlines.